Make a great choice today with the 2018 G80. The Genesis G80 offers a distinct luxury vehicle coupled with great value. Power, technology, and safety are all reasons you're going to want to check out this premium sedan, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, mud guards, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, first aid kit, leather shift knob. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.